Hey guys, so welcome back. Today's video, we're going to explain radiant floor heat. So here we are in the master bathroom of one of our projects. And in this project, we move forward with an electric radiant heat. A couple things why we like to use electrical radiant. One, the price point is quite a bit less than plumbing because, when you're using a system where you're bringing the hot water pipes to the floor, there's just a lot more work involved, more parts. You have, a lot of time you have your separate boiler for it that's going to produce that hot water to keep up with it. It can be very efficient, but, overall, this is quicker and upfront cost saving. So what we have here is the DITRA-HEAT Schluter by Schluter. So we've used other products before like SunTouch, and what those are like custom mats, or they're mats that come in rolls. So if you have a skinny short bathroom or small bathroom, those work out alright because they come in fixed sizes, and all you literally do is unroll them on the floor, thin set them in, and then you start tunneling over it. When you have bigger rooms like this, we like going with the DITRA-HEAT because, as you can see, we have a lot of twists and turns, and we didn't have time to wait on custom mats. So basically, you can see here, we put the coupling membrane down, and that creates a really good tile base as well. These couplings are meant to help create movement with the shifting of the house as it changes from season to season, and the loads of walking on it and whatnot. And that's going to help prevent cracking of the ground lines and all that. The other part, great reason this serves a great purpose is getting your heating wires throughout. So you can see we're using this method, 3-3 method is what they call it. So for every 3 couplings, we're wrapping that wire back around with it 3 exposed, and so on and so on. So you're going to get a really nice even heat in here. And then what's nice about the Schluter product, it's very easy to weave around like your vanity, your toilets. You can see here's space for one vanity. We have our tub over here, so we're not totally under it. And then what's nice is we're able to bring a last heating cable right up to the edge of the shower, so a little bit of that warmth will radiate in, and as soon as you get out, you're going to have a nice warm floor. So great product. This is the Schluter DITRA-HEAT product. Works really well when you have a large room with a lot of twists and turns. We just also use this product downstairs in the kitchen of this house, about 800 square feet. And it was hard to get a mat to cover that space, and this DITRA-HEAT product had no problem with that. So what you can see here is one last thing. Basically, our thermostat's going to be here. You can see we have one of our testers on there to make sure while we're tiling that if by accident you nick one of the lines or something gets damaged, this is going to buzz, letting you know, so you can stop work, call your electrician. They do make repair kits for this in case you have to fix a wire. And then the other thing is you just have to make sure you follow the directions, very good directions. These are your thermostat wires. There's 2 of them per thermostat, and we have them coming out here. So basically you're getting readings under the floor in 2 different locations to make sure you're getting even. All right guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed what we put out. We would really appreciate it if you hit that like and subscribe button so we can get more videos out for future.